Hey, what is going on everybody? Aaron here from Break the Internet, and welcome back to another video today on the channel. Now, with Instagram TV coming out just a couple of days ago, my mind exploded with so many different videos that I wanted to bring to you guys to make your experience with the app so much better. Now, with the integration of strictly vertical video, there's going to be so many creators out there that are making super high quality vertical content specifically for Instagram TV, and I wanted to give each and every one of you the resource to be able to do the exact same thing straight from your cell phone. Today, we're going to be taking a look at an app called Video Shop. This is a 100% free app you can download on your phone, which allows you to take videos on your phone, put them into the app, add music, effects, text, and make it look like you edited it on your computer, which is going to be really important when you're trying to stand out on Instagram TV. So without further ado, let's do a little walkthrough of Video Shop. Alright guys, so moving over to the phone section of today's video, I wanted to make this not a super fast video, but we're not going to go into every single detail of Video Shop. This is just going to be a way to add some text, some music, and a little bit of effects to your videos to make them a little bit better than just coming straight off of the iPhone. I mean, there's so many different things you can do within Video Shop. I'll be making a further tutorial about the app, but for now, we're just going to take a look at some of the general features. So I'm going to open up Video Shop, and we're going to make a video specifically for this video. So let's just say we make two 10-second clips and then kind of merge those together, and we'll add some music and all that good stuff. So I'm going to click plus, we click record new. We're going to then switch it to the front-facing camera so we can see my camera, we can see a bunch of all these other settings. But what we're going to do is, like I said, record two 10-second clips and then merge them together, adding music. So for the first one, I'm going to hold this down. I think I just have to click it. Oh, but we're going to also make sure down here that it shows 16:9 aspect ratio so that it takes up the entire screen. And let's do this here. All right, guys, taking a look at the new Instagram TV application, we can see a bunch of different things, but using Video Shop, we can actually add music. So I'm going to click stop, and that's going to be a 10-second clip. I'm going to click done, and we're going to see that we have that 10-second clip up here in our timeline. So we're just going to go ahead and record one more for the sake of this tutorial. So this is us recording our second part of the two 10-second clips, just to show you guys exactly what it looks like when you stitch them together, add some music, add some effects, and export to Instagram TV. Cool. So now that we have those two clips, we're going to see that we have a bunch of different features down here. We have impose, text, voice, trim, sound, speed, transitions, resize, rotate. You can add so many awesome things within this app, like I said, but we're just going to add a couple different things here. So, as we play this back, up top you can see, you can scroll through everything that you want on there, and you can see exactly how long it is. So it says it's going to be 22 seconds. We can play it through. We can play it wherever we want to. So let's say we want to play it right there, going to the transition. But as you can see, I put my hand down to stop the recording. So I'm going to go down here, click that first clip. I'm going to go to trim, and then I'm actually going to hold down my finger on here, and I can do some fine tuning. So I'm going to go back. So you can see my hands right there. I'm going to scroll back until it's not there anymore. Add music. And I'm going to click done. So what that's going to do, it's going to trim the very end of that clip so you can't see that I stopped it. And just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do the same thing on this clip. So to click that clip and add the effect to it, I'm going to click there, click trim, and I'm going to do the same thing. Hold down my finger to fine tune and wait till I'm done talking. Right there, and click done. So now I want to add a little transition in between these two clips, because right now you can see that it kind of cuts into those. Down here we have an option to add transitions, and what I want to do here is I want it to, let's just say, flash to white. So with the free version of this app, you can only have a certain amount of different transitions, but if you buy the transitions, you can definitely do so. But I want to put the transition in between those two clips. So when I click that, I can also go in and change the duration of that transition. So I actually don't want it to be on there that long. I just want to have it just flash up there just for a quick second, or 0.10, so 0.1 of a second. And when I go from the beginning, or let's just go halfway through the clip, as we go to the middle of that clip, you'll see that it's just a little flash transition in there. And obviously that was a little bit fast, so let's just say I wanted to bring it up to, like, I don't know, maybe 4 of a second. I don't know, maybe that's a little bit longer. So I still think that was a little bit long, but you get the point. I'm just adding transitions into this. So let's say I wanted to add some music. I would then click one of the clips. I would click sound. I would click tracks, and this is gonna bring up the in-app tracks, and you can also click iPod or iTunes, whatever it said. I think it said iPod, and you can click or pick tracks that are from your camera roll, but I'm just gonna use one of their clips, and let's just use elevator music. So once it downloads the track, it's gonna automatically add it to. All right, so when I click play on this video, I feel like the music on there might be a little bit too loud. So what I can do is scroll back, click on the music track, and bring this down till I think it's about an appropriate amount for background music. And I can go click play. And on there, it sounds like it's actually background music and it's not too intrusive on that video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move that and little group chat going crazy right now as soon as I'm trying to record this video. But anyway, you can also add some text onto there as well. So let's just say I wanted to add some text, and I can say welcome. I can change the font. I can change the color. I can make it bigger or smaller. Just kind of like you're editing an Instagram story. And then I can change the duration that I want that text. I can move the text to where I want it to start, just like I did with the music. I can also come down here, I can click the outline or the fade. So let's say I wanted it to have an outline, I could do that. And there's also some transitions that you can click on down there. And let's just go ahead and play this and see what it looks like. So the music starts off right away, and then the text comes up when I want it to, and the duration, I forgot exactly, oh, well, there goes the text, but you can see it on there. So if I wanted to check this out and what it would look like on full screen, I can click the full screen button there. Click play, and it'll show us exactly what it looks like in full screen mode. Like I said before, there are so many other features that you can look at down below. Let's say I go to display, I can change the brightness, I can change the contrast. I'm gonna bring my voice down a little bit. But I can change the brightness if I wanted to, I can change the contrast. You can go in and play with each of those settings. I can add saturation, and all of the basic settings that you would add to like a regular picture. So I'm gonna click done, it's gonna go ahead and apply those filters. And then I'm gonna click next, once you have everything set that you want it to. So once you do, there's also some filters that I can add down below here. There's a couple that are really cool. There's one that's like a security camera, right, where'd it go? Like right here. So that'd be kind of cool if you wanted to. And then we can click send, or save essentially, and we can click the resolution that we wanted to, anywhere up to 4K. We can go down and change the frame rate from 30 to 60 FPS. And for the story cut, we can change that to anywhere from 10-second clips, 15-second clips, 20-second clips. Let's say you wanted to upload just into the Instagram stories, you can do it that way. But we're gonna keep it in full length because we're gonna upload it in full length. And we're gonna go ahead and save it to our photos. So depending on how long the video is, that's how long it's gonna take to save the video. But obviously this one is only gonna be like 20 something seconds. It's not gonna take that long to export, and it's gonna save directly to our camera roll. So then we can go either to the Instagram app or directly into the IGTV, Instagram TV app. And just like in the tutorial from a couple days ago, we just click on our profile, we go to the plus icon, and we can then click our video that's on there. Obviously see a little preview, and then up top, if it looks like what we want it to, we can click next. So up here we can edit the cover. So this is gonna be the thumbnail, what people see when they're about to click onto your video. So you can either upload from camera roll, or you can choose the cover of your video and scroll through to a part that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to where it says welcome on the screen. I'm gonna click done, and then I can make the title, I don't know, testing video, and description a little bit about the video. So I'm not gonna put anything too crazy on there. Obviously I can save or share to Facebook like I did on the other posts. And I'm gonna go ahead and click post. Not gonna take too long because it's only 22 seconds, but obviously if you're gonna be uploading a longer video up to 10 minutes, it's definitely gonna take longer than this. So finally it finished uploading. It says a little testing video. It shows the little thumbnail that I have on there. I can click on it, and I can watch it. I can do all the same stuff. I can like it if I wanted to, comment, share, and then it shows everything up top. and I can browse through my channel. And just to show you guys exactly where that's going to be, if I click onto my Instagram profile, and well, actually I don't think I can look at it myself, but let's just say I went to, to my Instagram profile right down here, and I went to my profile. It should show up over here on Instagram TV. When I click on that, it'll bring me right back to my profile, and anybody can find this and search for it if they wanted to. That's pretty much it for the phone section. Aaron, let's cue the outro. And that is going to do it for today's video, guys. If you want to see some more videos just like this one, everything about Instagram TV, how to use a actual camera to get higher quality videos on Instagram TV, then make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and also turn on notifications to get notified every single time we upload a video, because YouTube's been really sketchy lately, especially with my last couple of videos. Anyway, guys, like I said, my name is Aaron from Break the Internet, your #1 stop shop for Instagram tips, tricks, updates, and everything you need to know about Instagram, Snapchat, and all social media. As always, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.